Hello, everyone. My name is Alan with Odyssey Accounting, and today I want to talk about the home office deduction, home office tax deduction. This is all about saving money by claiming your home office. So, have you ever thought about, potential things that you hadn't thought about claiming on your taxes that you maybe didn't know about? Well, why aren't you claiming these right now? The depreciation or rent that you're paying on your home. What about your utilities? And then some of your home repairs, right? So all of these with the home office deduction you can potentially take. Now, of course, there are some rules, and basically the portion of your home must be used for business. It must be one of these, let's say, criteria or options. So your home must be either your main place of business or a place of business where you meet with clients or patients or customers, whatever, on a regular basis. Or it must be a separate structure not attached to your home that's primarily business, or a part of a daycare. So basically, this is a quick rule of thumb. If you spend more than 50% of your working hours out of your home qualifies as your main place of business, at least the portion of it that's going to be considered a home office. And then, this is also a extra qualifying factor in case maybe you don't meet some of these. So your home office would also qualify if you conduct administrative or managerial business work there and you have no other place where this type of work is done for your business, right? Now, these are just different considerations to take into account about how the home office deduction works. There are direct and there are also indirect expenses. So, as an example, direct expenses, basically, direct expenses, you can take 100%, versus indirect expenses, you can only take the portion associated with, let's say, a prorated amount that's going as a percentage of your home office. You'll understand that as we move along. But indirect expenses, essentially, let's say that you're paying for the rent of your home. You won't be able to deduct 100% of the rent of your home, but you will the portion of it that's associated with your home office. Okay, so I'll give an example right now. So say hello to Arturito. Arturito, he is a real estate broker and he claims the home office deduction. Now, his house is 2,200 square feet and his home office is 450 square feet. As a percentage, that means that 20.4%, that's what his home office is, basically representing of his home. Now, let's say Arturito makes 100K as a real estate agent and he files as married, filing jointly. He also is going to be taking the standard deduction. Okay, and this is the breakdown of how the home office deduction can benefit him. So here we have repairs, home repairs. So again, these are indirect expenses. Why? Because the repairs were done basically to the home as a whole and not directly to just that portion of the home that's considered his home office. And that's why, let's say that he had $2,000 in home repairs, only the 20.4% will count as a deduction as part of that home office deduction. And then here, the tax benefit here, basically we're taking his top marginal rates, his, which is on federal 24%, state is 9.3%, and then we're going to be doing the self-employment taxes part minus the deductible part of it, which gives you this 13.02%. You add everything up, and this is the tax, essentially the tax benefit that he will get as a refund. So here, so you can see here, $188.99. So moving along here, repairs for his office. These are direct repairs to his office, $500. That's gonna be 100% because these are direct expenses. And here's what we get. Yeah, and then real estate taxes, mortgage interest, real estate depreciation, which is a huge one because most people don't really think about that, and that's kind of a fun, in a way, it's kind of like phantom income or phantom deduction, if you want to look at it that way, because a lot of people aren't really considering that. And look at the refund that he's getting just out of the home office deduction here, $1,837.89. That's huge. So thank you, and yeah, that's all I have for you. Home office, don't work with a tax professional. Contact us to see how you can start benefit from this home office deduction. And thank you very much for listening.